Hello everyone and welcome back to week 2, lesson 2 on our work around the animation marshmallows. Our can I today is can I use imaginative description and techniques to create excitement and tension in my writing? And for this lesson you will need a pencil, a ruler, paper and access to the internet. Today we'll be continuing to write the story from the boy's point of view. Can you remember what the second section of our story mountain was? Our second section was the build-up. This is where we find out more about the characters and add extra details about the setting. We also create excitement and tension by introducing the creature. We'll be writing our build-up to the main problem or dilemma where the boy in the animation runs out of marshmallows. The build-up in the animation takes place from around 8 seconds in up until around 1 minute and 5 seconds, where the creature has eaten the last of the marshmallows. In a moment, I'd like you to follow the link below to watch the animation. As you are watching, can you create a timeline of the key events that take place during the build-up? For example, the first thing on your timeline might be that the creature emerges from the water. The next thing might be that the creature sneaks up on the boy. Now it is time to pause your video and have a go at watching the animation and creating your timeline. Once you are finished, click play on the video to see what you will need to do next. Let's take a look at our story mountain. On your timeline, you should have captured that the mysterious creature emerges from the lake, that the creature creeps up on the boy, that the creature then craves the boy's marshmallows, and that the boy begins to feed them to the creature. These are all parts of the build-up leading to the dilemma. You can now use your timeline to help ensure that your build-up captures key details to help build excitement and tension in your writing. What else can help you with writing your build-up paragraph? Your story mountain, your success criteria, and this video. Your writing target should include that your writing is written in the first person, using pronouns such as I, my, me, and us. That you are using relative clauses. That you are including prepositional phrases to describe the position or direction of where something or someone is. And a variety of vocabulary, for example, interesting adjectives or powerful verbs and adverbs. You can use your success criteria to find these examples. Now you can begin writing your build-up paragraph. If you would like to see my example, wait for a moment until I show you the next slide. Otherwise, pause this video and have a go at writing your build-up paragraph. Here is an example that I have written. I sat beside the campfire on a mossy log and watched as the glowing embers moved in rhythm with the flames, matching every dip and sweep. Carefully, I poked a marshmallow onto the end of a large stick and watched as the marshmallow began to turn a golden colour. I looked up at the stars that lit up the sky like snowflakes in the night and the many trees that surrounded the camp. The woods always looked different at night. Everything had an unfamiliar slant to it. It was as if the daytime trees, flowers and stones had gone to bed and sent slightly more ominous versions of themselves to take their places. Suddenly, I heard something. The sound of something sinister sneaking up from behind me. Whatever or whoever it was, it had come from down by the lake. In this paragraph, I have used a variety of descriptive devices. For example, I have used similes to describe the stars to be like snowflakes in the night sky. You can see that where I'm highlighting it here. I have also used adverbials to tell the reader how, when, and where things have happened. For example, carefully and suddenly. I have also used pronouns to ensure that I am writing in the first person, such as I and me. Now it is your turn to have a go at writing your build-up paragraph. Remember, once you are finished, you'll need to take a picture of your work and upload it to Class Dojo so that I can give you feedback on how you've done. Bye for now, Year 5.